Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP OfficeJet 250 mobile all-in-one printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable or how to disable, of course, automatically paper size recognizing on this device. To do it, firstly need to open control panel by swiping it from up to down and find settings. Then choose preferences and scroll down. And here you will see automatic paper size detection, and you can enable this feature or disable. That's it. Now when you will try to change the size of your paper tray, so it will ask about it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.